So I did some more financial mistakes. I got some new stuff. Let's see what it is. Some more shit that I won't finish. Let's get all this sorted out. There we go. It's empty now. This is what I got. A full, or I gotta see what I'm missing, but I got a bunch of 1jzgte non-vvti parts, as well as a cylinder head. And I also got the short block that needs a rebuild, but comes with rods and pistons, just all disassembled. Need to look through and see what I'm missing and make a list. Don't really have a goal. I just had an opportunity and I bought it. These are getting more kind of scarce, so might as well jump on it and just keep them on the side. This is extra financial mistake that I just got, and I'll try to get more progress whenever I get the block. So yeah. Oh shit, there's a cap. I mean, cylinder head looks pretty dirty, but you know, it's what you get with a old ass JZ. But yeah, we'll make a parts list, see what I do and I don't have and what I need, and then we'll go from there. Hopefully this will go into something. I don't know what yet though, but hopefully it'll go into something and not just be like my other engines that I have just sitting. I organized everything and I got them all in here now. It was an LS shelf, now it's a JZ shelf. So hopefully I could get some more progress on this. Gotta pay off the rest of the thing and we'll pick up the engine and buy like a rebuild kit essentially for it. And then we'll, I don't know, I guess I'll just document whatever I can, and then hopefully I'll find a car to put this in. I'd even put it in this if the KAT fails me. So that's it for now. Catch y'all in the next one.